In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot either in the app or on the web. This works similarly in both places, so you can use whichever version is more convenient for you. Once Copilot is open, go to the chat box area because that's where you'll find the controls for starting a voice conversation. Next, look for the volume wavelength icon in the chat box and tap or click it. This is the button that switches you from typing to speaking. If you've never used voice features before, take a second to make sure your device's microphone is connected and working properly. That will help everything go more smoothly. If a permission prompt appears, allow microphone access. This is an important step because Copilot needs permission to hear your voice. On some devices, the prompt may appear right away, while on others you may need to confirm it through your browser or app settings. If voice chat doesn't start immediately, this is usually the first thing to check. Once microphone access is enabled, start speaking naturally. You don't need to use any special commands or robotic phrasing. Just talk the way you normally would, and Copilot will listen and reply out loud. This makes the experience feel much more conversational, which can be especially useful if you want quick answers, hands-free help, or a more interactive way to use Copilot. As you speak, try to be clear and steady so your device can pick up your voice accurately. If you're in a noisy space, moving to a quieter area can help improve recognition. You can also pause briefly between thoughts if you want Copilot to respond more clearly to each part of your request. When you want to control the conversation, tap the mic icon again to mute or unmute yourself. This is helpful if you need a moment to think, if someone interrupts you, or if you want to stop Copilot from listening temporarily without ending the session. If you're completely finished with the conversation, tap the X to end the voice chat, and that's it. Once you know where the voice button is and you've allowed microphone access, using voice chat with Microsoft Copilot is quick and simple. It's an easy way to interact more naturally and get spoken responses in real time.